In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Hostinger. This is a quick and simple process, and it only takes a moment once you're signed into your account. Adding your phone number to your account information can be useful for keeping your profile up to date and making sure your contact details are accurate inside your Hostinger settings. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and that you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, click on Account Info. This will take you to the section where your personal account details are managed. If you don't immediately see everything at once, just take a second to look through the page carefully, because this is where Hostinger keeps the main personal information connected to your account. Once you're inside the Account Info section, find the Personal Information area. Under that section, you should see an option for phone number. Click on Phone Number to begin adding your number. Now enter your phone number into the field provided. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check that the number is correct before moving forward. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're using the right country code as well, especially if your account settings require an international format. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid mistakes later. When your phone number is entered correctly, click Continue. This will save or move forward with the phone number update, depending on what Hostinger shows on your screen. In most cases, that's all you need to do. And that's it. Your phone number has now been added to your Hostinger account. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also refresh the page afterward to confirm that the number has been added successfully. If you run into any issue, simply go back to the same account info section and check whether the number was entered correctly. That's the full process for adding a phone number in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.